Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius, your favorite tech channel. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, it's for the people who are wondering whether it's possible to take a look at the watch history of our account. Well, this is one of the accounts which I own. Obviously, this is not my own account. Do not message to this account. I won't be replying. So, for the people who are wondering whether it's possible to take a, whether it's possible to look at watch history, let's first of all go to the settings over here. Settings can be accessed by clicking over the three dots. Now if we just search for watch history, we won't be able to find anything. If you just search for history, it will just be shown the search history. And if you just look at search history, then it's not going to be useful. It's not going to show our watch history. So you may be asking whether it's not possible to take a look at our watch history. Well, do not worry. Instagram now has a feature which shows us everything in detail, like literally everything: our likes, comments, story views, our interactions with advertisements, everything. So in order to access that page, all you have to do is again click on these three icons over here. In here you would find this, your activity. Just click on this. Your activity has everything related to your account, like the average time you spent on Instagram, then the option to download your information, then what are your recent interaction with likes, comments, tags, or some of your recently deleted or archived post, or which content you shared. See, literally everything will be able to you'll be able to look at here. See, even the changes which happened, everything is now available in this page. So all you have to do is go to the settings and click on this your activity over here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If it was useful to you, then just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video, and do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button if you want more such content. It's me Surya Prakash from Protech Genius signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.